We're gonna get started on our self-portrait. So I have some things in front of me. First, I have this page here where I have described myself, my skin, what I look like, and I've got, just some things here. Then number two, my flesh, what I do. So I've got artist, wife, friend, mom and daughters, dog mama, exercise, cook. I love food. And then the hardest one, my core, what I think. So I identify as an American. I believe in working hard and being nice. So I've got a little smiley face, and here's my Millard work tag. And here's I value my family and my faith. So I've got these little paper doll people and a little cross. Okay, so this has to be done in order to move forward, because you got to know what you're about, okay? Then my next thing, I've got this picture of myself, and what I've done is I have folded it in half like this. So I've got half my nose, half my mouth and an eye. All right, and this stuff over here is going to be the other half. So this is what people see, my skin, and then my flesh and my core are going to be on the other side. So what I need to do is I need to know kind of about where half of this is, and I'm just going to eyeball this. I think that's about half. Now, those of you math people, if you want to, be more precise, you can. Oh, and you know what else? I probably should write my name on the back of this so I know it's mine. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a little trick, okay? So I am gonna take the half that's gonna go here, that's this half. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna take my pencil and I am just gonna scribble all over this half. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a transfer. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, that's cheating. You're tracing it. Well, I don't believe that, because, the Renaissance artists, they use equipment, to project things, to aid themselves. And really, the hard part of this is going to be the value. And you got to just be able to do that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you know what? I think I'm just going to get rid of this half because it's just in the way. So I'm just going to do this, and if you guys feel safer cutting, you go ahead and cut. I'm secure ripping. All right, so I'm going to put this right on my line, and probably, if you put some tape here, that would be good. I'm not taping mine because I don't really feel like I need to, but you guys go ahead and tape if you want. And then I'm just gonna come through here and I'm gonna trace my face. So where would I see the lines? Okay. And like I said, this is only one part of it. If you just leave this traced, you're not going to get a very good grade, because I want you to be focused on a value. Okay. And I'll put some little lines, got the eyes, got the nose. All right. Don't want to forget my clothes, my shoulders. Okay, so before I totally get rid of this, I'm going to just give it a peek, and there I am. Yep, I'm pretty sure I got everything. So now I'm gonna move it. Now I see myself right here. Now, what I might wanna do next is I might wanna just start like outlining this really hard. okay? But I don't want to do that. What I do want to do though is I'm going to flip this thing entirely over like this, and I'm going to put myself upside down like this, and I'm going to start to put in where I have dark parts. Right now I'm seeing a lot of dark right here, so I'm going to come in here and put some dark in, because that's a dark spot back there in my mouth. And this is a dark spot. This t-shirt thing that I had on, that's pretty dark. So I'm gonna get that darkened in. So this is my dark, dark value, my black, 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 black. And the eye here is very dark. And this is dark above my eye where my eyelashes are. And I don't really like see a lot of eyelashes on my face. And my eyebrows are pretty dark. Maybe not quite as dark. And I've got some darkness right here. And it kind of comes out a little bit. Got a dark nose hole here. And let's see, where else is dark? Obviously my hair is a little bit darker. So I'm gonna come in here. I gotta go with my medium tones, okay? Now this gets a little bit harder because you know, you want, and why are we putting this upside down? Well, it's transferring my mind, and instead of me thinking about this is my face, I'm just thinking, where are the light, medium, and dark tones that I'm looking at? And it stops becoming my face and just starts becoming tones that I'm looking at on this object. So my face starts becoming more of an object and less of a thing, because our face is a very tricky thing to do, because we have, you know, we do a lot, you know, our face is really important to us, you know, and so to draw our face, you know, we just have all these preconceived ideas of what we look like, and, you know, every time we get our picture taken, we're kind of like, that's not what I look like, and, you know, because you have these preconceived ideas. Okay, so we are just slowly putting in the value. And unless you are an albino and you have no pigment at all, then you're totally white. But otherwise, you are not white. You have some value, some dark and light spots, and you're gonna have to document those, which is not easy, especially on a face. That's why we traced it, just to give you a leg up. Okay, so now I'm gonna start getting my super light value in. So I'm gonna start up here with my hair, because I've got lots of good graphite up here, lots of good pencil. And on my hair, I have a lot of light spots in it because I get it dyed. And so I don't want all of my hair to be just all dark. I wanna leave some light tones in it. So like right through here, okay? So I'm just gonna come in, do a little blending. leaving some light areas. Okay, that's probably good. All right, then with my beautiful dirty little tortillon, I'm gonna come in here and just put in an overall value and just kind of blend in some of the stuff that I already had. Now, usually your cheeks right here and the top of your nose are the lighter parts, and also the bottom lip is a lighter part, just because of what sticks out on our face and catches the light. And then the, like this part of our chin down here, a lot of times will be super light. So now I'm kind of reassessing. And really darken in some of those dark spots that might have got grayed out a little bit. And also kind of buff up maybe the spots that should be kind of more light. Okay, so now, let's see, I gotta do some value out here. I gotta do value in my shirt. Okay, so I am gonna decide that my background is a little darker down here. So this shows up better. And then as it goes up, I'm gonna let it get lighter and lighter because that's dark here and I want it to contrast. So now I'm gonna flip it over. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna get that layout HB pencil, nice light one. And I'm just gonna protect this by having this on top of it. And I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna put these number 2 and 3 in. So I am using an HB pencil. I'm laying out my symbols lightly. I am overlapping different objects so they're all not just side by side. And next I will start getting my colored pencils ready. Now, did I have that over there? No, I didn't. And I just kind of thought of that as I was going, and that's okay. You guys are gonna think of stuff as you go. And I think I'm gonna have 3 snowflakes because when you have a grouping of 3, it creates a stronger composition, odd numbers. Yeah, okay, so now I'm looking at this and we did the colored pencil techniques. So now I'm gonna do this half in colored pencil, and you know what? I think I might just cover this half up and tape this on here so that it's not getting smudged up while I'm doing my colored pencil. That's better. Okay, so now I can focus on this with my colored pencil. So with colored pencil, you want to make sure that you're using the techniques that we went over in our drawing book, and you want to make sure that you are layering your colors, having some dark, having some light areas, and using probably your favorite color for the background. Thank you for watching.